Large tonnage intelligent unmanned fire truck. Dual operation mode. Manual driving for emergency response and remote operation of unmanned driving, with one-click switchable mode for more flexible operation. Ultra-visual remote control. The vehicle is equipped with a 360-degree remote panoramic imaging system, which displays on-site images from multiple perspectives to assist remote control and is not afraid of dangerous environments. Easy to operate in complex environments. Through the vehicle's own perception system, it can freely manipulate the vehicle's movement in environments such as nighttime, complex road conditions, and narrow spaces. AI-assisted driving. Intelligent AI system assists in automatically identifying various obstacles, enabling automatic parking avoidance and safer remote operation. Remote control distance, greater than 1 kilometer. Clear and stable on-site high-speed image transmission, 1 kilometer communication within the city, supporting wireless relay, suitable for various complex environments. One-click operation of fire extinguishing system. One-click firefighting operation of water foam system. Liquid carrying capacity, greater than 16 tons. Fire extinguishing flow, greater than 4,800 liters per minute. Fire extinguishing radius, greater than 85 meters. Strong power and long-lasting combat. Equipped with a 346 kilowatt engine, it is easy to drag the water injection hose to ensure continuous combat in the fire scene.